How to invite users to your Squarespace website. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. So basically we're going to be allowing or inviting people so that they can also help us manage specific aspects in our Squarespace website. We do give them these permissions, we will be able to take it away from them as well, but we will decide exactly what they can do and cannot do. So anyways, to enable this or to invite a specific person, all you need to do is just go ahead and go to your Squarespace, and you just want to go to the home page of Squarespace where you will have the um, different websites that you have and everything so that we can go over there. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on my profile picture down at the bottom, and it's just going to take us to this page here. This is where we need to be, and you will need to go ahead and log in into your admin uh, profile, obviously. Hover over the website that you want to invite people in. So in my case, I'm just going to go for this one and just go ahead and click on the three dots right next to it. So just go ahead and click on that. And then you will find the first option here, which is permissions. This is the one that we need to go on. So click on permissions. Let's just go ahead and wait for it to load. And we should have ourselves in this page. Now in here, we can just go ahead and start right away by either inviting a contributor here right away or adding a basic author. Now this is going to be for those who are looking for to invite someone to write blog posts for them. Then in that case, you just want to click on this, which is the add basic author. If you want to give them more permissions to specific stuff, then you will need to click on invite contributor. And here you can obviously see also all the different users that are available in this site, including yourself as an owner, and you can also transfer the ownership. And you also have different options, or one other option here, which is let non-admins purchase assets. So if you want to allow this or not, it's completely up to you. I'm just going to keep it as it is. And we can just go ahead and get started with inviting. So click on invite contributor. Here you would want to just go ahead and give them or add their name and then their email. I'm just going to add another email here I'm just going to be using. Okay, so once you add their name and also the email address for them, which they will receive the invitation from, you will need to just go ahead and see the type of permissions you want to give them. So for example, here in global, you can give them to, you can actually make them an admin. And in that case, they can pretty much do everything except that they're not named an owner. So they can't really remove you. You can do it for them, but yeah, they get the permissions for everything. So this is going to be quite dangerous to give. So make sure that you trust the person that you want to give it to, if any, actually. And then we also have the billing within the global settings, which is going to be related about everything about billing. So as it says, and then we also have some more website settings here. For example, website editor. So here you can, have them manage your website, change how it looks and so on. Analytics, comment moderator, and also viewer. We also have store manager, email campaigns editor, and we also have a section for scheduling. So if you have Acuity scheduling, you will have this section show up for you. If not, it's not going to show. And obviously you can give them admin for scheduling and so on. So it's completely up to you what you actually want to give them. So I'm just going to go ahead and put, for example, just website editor and click on invite, and we are pretty much good to go. Now on their screen, they will need to just go in and click on or open up their email, and they will find an email that says you have been invited and so on. They will have a button to click on. They click on it and they will be able to do whatever you gave them when it comes to permissions. And you can actually see them over here. You can remove them. You can remove the specific permissions. You can add new permissions, or you can just go and remove them from here. But this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.